Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Hairology. There are four keys of bob shapes: the classic bob, the square bob, the inverted bob, and the graduated bob. In today's video, I have brought square bob haircut for you. Square bob was popular in 80s and is making a comeback. It is typically jaw length. A square bob is a jaw-length bob haircut that grazes the jawline area. It looks cute in a low bun or a claw clip. It's even fun to wear with effortless waves, creating a trendy and flirty look. If your hair is straight and has fine the medium density, it's one of the best haircuts to create texture and movement and at the same time keep it classy, simple and beautiful. Some people may find this length of bob hard to come up with diverse styling option and get stuck in the trap of it's too short, I can't do anything but just leave it straight. Not the case. Take a look at these styles for a little inspiration. I have found that bob cuts are very versatile and you can create the perfect cut for any hair type. A square bob haircut is a timeless style that works for any face shape. A jaw-length bob is trendy and stylish. One of the best ways to get movement, body and volume is to cut soft shorter layers. The layers helps your hair from falling flat. Your bob can be customized to your hair type and texture for the perfect cut just for you. If you want to know about more haircuts and hairstyles, then subscribe my YouTube channel Hairology. Thank you.